Hello, beautiful people. Hello, my revivers. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you something. I have me a flax egg sitting. It has to sit for about 5 minutes. And I had this box that's been sitting in my cabinet. And I think I showed this in a haul many months ago. And Rizzy wanted some sweet. So I said, I don't do the egg thing. If some of you probably know, some of you don't, and I'll share that later as far as my journey and all that great stuff. But I said, you know what, let me spruce these up. Now, she can't have nuts, and I like nuts in mine. So I'm going to do a muffin style, and I'm not using eggs. So this will be my first time doing this with brownies, because y'all know I usually make my own from scratch brownies and stuff like that. But, you know, when I don't feel like going through all that, I'm going to do semi-homemade. So I got the whole ground flaxseed meal, and it is here. I will show you in another video how to make that egg. So it'll be a separate video, probably be up before this one, how to make an egg replacement for things. Now, I never tried it in brownies. So what I'm going to do is mix this up and share this with you guys. I'm going to be adding some more morsels. It has chocolate chips in it, but I love chocolatey goodness in my brownies, and I treat myself every now and then because I'm like really staying away from sweets. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. And I have my walnuts back here. So we're just gonna get ready, mix this all up, get this in a bowl and into the oven just to see how this works out with the flax egg with a box brownie. So let's see, guys. So we have these on deck, and y'all know I use these instead of the paper ones, which are silicone, to save the coins, so I don't have to keep tossing them, to help with the planet. It's a lot of things I want to transform and change, but one thing at a time. And I know a lot of you already shared this with you guys. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me today. Let's get into these brownies. Okay, this is ready. I'm gonna pour that in there. That's the flax. Got a half a cup of water. We're basically going by the instructions on the box, and I'm using grapeseed oil. So I'm switching it up. Brownies are not healthy, but if you can substitute as much as you can to make them healthy, and if you look at my recipe for making your own, that's even better. And then add this flax egg and add the actual grapeseed oil or wherever into the recipe. So adding some more chocolate to it. And I'm just going to hand mix this. Yep, and then get it into my holders. And we're going to see how these bad boys come out. I love me a good brownie. Let's see if this flax does the job in this brownie. Alright, I'm going to do half and half and get them into these muffin tins, and I'll be right back. I actually had more batter than I thought, so I can make a little bit more for each one of us. Let's see. I'm about to add my walnuts to my part. I figure might as well just put hers in one and mine's in one, so that way we'll know for sure which one is which. I'm just gonna crush up some walnuts, just a few for mine. And that's it. And put them in there. Alright guys, so these have been cooling. I already gave some away because we don't need all of those to my mom-in-law and a friend. So we have the 6 for me and the 6 over there. And I wanted to, I'm not gonna buy the Rizzies. I'm gonna get mine out so you guys can see. Now these was made with the flax egg, no dairy. And let me taste it. Oh, it's just like a brownie. Hold on. Okay. Guys, you don't have to use eggs. Oh my gosh, awesome. So chewy, so gooey. Tastes the same. I would have never known that flaxseed was used instead of eggs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them below. And make sure to check in the link below to see how you make a flaxseed egg. I use them when I'm making my homemade curry crackers, chickpea crackers. A lot of things that I will be sharing, so stay tuned for those things. But this is how you can use flaxseed instead of using those eggs that come from the chickens. If you enjoyed this, like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel and become a reviver. And I will see you guys later, gators.